Okay, our teak for today, and we're not going to get completely through it today. This is just the introduction. Is construct congruent segments, congruent angles, a segment bisector, a angle bisector, perpendicular lines, perpendicular bisector of a line segment, a line parallel to a given line through a point, not on the line using a compass, and a straight edge. But what we're going to do today is we're going to review over angles and how to name angles. So we need to know how to do that to do any of these constructions. So what I want you to learn how to do today is I want you to be able to identify, name, and describe the measures of angles. So I'm going to give you guys 3 minutes, and I mean it, 3 minutes this time because we have to go fast to write all 3 of these down. This is going to be on page 43 of your ISN. There's a misspelling here. This is supposed to be non-collinear. There we go. Non-collinear. All right. So an angle is the intersection of non-two collinear rays. So they look like this. Like that. That have a common what? What do those intersection and intersections intersect at a what? At a point. So at a common point. Being specifically this point. The rays are called what? It's easier than you think it is. No. Okay, so if we have a triangle, what's this called? A side. So these two rays here, and here, they make the two sides of the angle. Does that make sense? So the answer is sides. The common endpoint is called the what? It starts with the V. Good job, vertex. Okay, we need to move on now. Okay, you're going to get one piece of paper, one piece of orange paper, and you're going to cut it in half. So then you have 2. Oh wow. Okay, so you have a piece of orange paper, you cut it in half. Yeah, just one and a half, so you get 2. It's double homework Fridays. Of course it is. Yes. I love double homework Fridays. Man. Okay. You took your two line segments, right? And you're going to make your own angle with them. But before we do that, we're going to label this A, B, A, and C. So where do you think these two line segments are going to meet at? Both at the A. So they share that A together. Take your two line segments, make a angle, and glue it into your ISN like this. I'm going to give you guys 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes to do all of that. In page 43. Yeah, so you can cut it a little bit smaller, yeah. You can cut it smaller if you like. Or you can make it larger if you like. Yeah. Alright. A minimum of how many points is required to make an angle? Okay, we think 1. Okay, 1 point, is that an angle? 2 points, is that an angle? 3 points to make an angle. So So to name an angle, you use the special angle symbol, and you use the 3 points. The vertex point must be in the center. So when you name it, the vertex must be in the center. Here's how I name angles. I start with my symbol. Symbol, there we go, symbol. Start with my symbol. I start with one end of the angle. I'm going to start with B. B